Every person who owns a yard knows that specific sound. It is a high-pitched snap. Then comes the silence of a trimmer spinning with no line. You look down at the ground. You see a tiny piece of green plastic. It is mocking you. You have to stop your momentum. You have to pull the spool. This is why people are flocking to these new steel cable attachments. They promise an end to the plastic nightmare. I spent some time looking at how these actually perform in the dirt. The design replaces the flexible line with braided metal. It looks rugged. It feels heavy in your hand. When you fire it up, the sound changes. It is a deeper growl. You can feel the centrifugal force pulling on the trimmer head. It wants to eat. I took it to the edge of a gravel driveway. Normally, that is a death trap for nylon. One wrong move and the string is gone. With the metal cables, the rocks just fly. The cables stay intact. It is a satisfying feeling of reliability. You move to the fence line. The metal bites into the tall grass. It clears the area in half the time. You are not worried about the wooden posts. Well, you should be worried. That is the catch. This thing is a beast. It does not just trim the grass. It can scar the wood if you get too close. It can chip the paint on your siding. You have to change your technique. You cannot just swing it wildly. It requires a steady hand and a bit of respect. The ads online are everywhere right now. They show people cutting through thick saplings. They show them clearing entire fields. That is where the hype gets ahead of the truth. Your standard trimmer motor was designed for a specific weight. Adding a heavy metal head puts stress on the internals. You might notice the engine bogging down if the weeds are too thick. It is not a replacement for a professional grade brush cutter with a solid blade. It is a hybrid. It sits right in the middle. It makes your weekend chores more efficient because you stay productive. You are not constantly wrestling with a tangled spool. That saved time adds up. Over a few months, those cables do start to fray. They are not invincible. They just have a much longer lifespan than the alternative. You also have to think about safety. When a piece of nylon breaks, it is light. When a tiny piece of metal cable breaks off, it has weight. You absolutely need your eye protection. You need long pants. This is not a tool for the casual user who ignores safety. It is a serious modification for your gear. It turns a frustrating chore into a manageable task. It is not a miracle. It is just a better way to handle the rough edges of your property. If you hate that plastic string, this is your answer. Just keep your expectations grounded in reality. It is a tough tool for a tough job. It makes your yard look great without the constant headache of equipment failure. You will appreciate the durability the first time you hit a hidden brick. Instead of a snap, you just hear a metallic ring and keep moving. That is the real value here. It is about staying in the flow of the work. You get the job done. You get back inside. You avoid the frustration of the clicking and the feeding. You focus on the grass. You finish the work. Then you can finally relax. You enjoy your weekend. That is what we are all really looking for when we buy these gadgets.